Alright, there you go. There is some hot. You gotta put it to cold. The trap is moving. And we got some cold air. But it's not the problem. Putting back to hot. Doors closing. But is there supposed to be more open or less open than that? First question. And second question. How come I got some hot air here? It's kind of hot. Yeah, it's kind of hot. But air does not float to the other traps. I got some hair here, but the hair is cold. And here is hot. So I might think the blend door actuator, I think it's okay. I think it's maybe something else. Another door somewhere, I don't know, maybe where gets cold air. And another question. Why if I've got hot air in and cold air in, how come can I have some air pressure here without being hot? So it's blowing from somewhere but not from here. I just don't understand. It's like does it have two blowers, or I know there's one there. Alright. Oh, it's getting hot. So I just don't understand. There's the part where I need you. So again, it's on hot. Oh, I'm gonna try to show you too. Now I'm gonna put it to cold. Oh, already cold air here. Yeah, I can feel it. I'm gonna put it back to hot. The goddamn door is moving. And oh, I got some hot air now. So please help me, guys. I don't know what to do. Thanks. And this is a Jeep Liberty KG 2002. I didn't remove everything. I just removed some part of the dash and the airbag and some trim there. So that's basically, this is my problem. Help me please. Ciao.